Good Thursday morning, class. This is a picture that you are seeing, that you see in the waiting room a lot when you're in Zoom. It was taken this past April. As you can see, my son Skylar is checking his cell phone while my daughters Bella and Leilani are collecting wood for our night bonfire at my sister's ranch in Kempner, Texas. The sun had just set, so I absolutely love going here, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. After listening to this message, I need you to log into Seesaw and have completed our Thinking Cap Thursday morning work to go over at 8:30 this morning. So go into Seesaw and you will see Thinking Cap Thursday morning work. Click on that and fill in the answers so that we can go over those at 8:30. I'm trying to get us moving quicker in the morning. Today we will create a self-portrait of ourselves by me guiding you through how to create it. The most important part of this activity is that you are able to carefully listen to my instructions, because you can mess up easily if we're not listening carefully. Also, if you can please print out the template that I sent before we meet at 9:45. So you will see something that says like a self-portrait template. Click on that and print it out so that we can begin straight away at our 9:45 session. We will also have time today to work with our interview partner if you still need to do so. So have a great start to the morning and be ready to share your Thinking Cap Thursday answers. We will see you all shortly.